Hi everyone, the party season is here and today I'm going to do a get ready with me in collaboration with Phoenix Market City, Chennai. I was recently in Chennai for a meet and greet and I visited the mall and I visited some of my favorite stores starting at Sephora. I had a look around and chose some of the products to create the look that I'll be showing you in this video today. My next stop was Bobbi Brown and I was spoiled for choice. I absolutely love their sparkly eyeshadows as well as their lipsticks, and I actually chose this one for my look. And then my last stop was MAC, of course. I had a look at some of the cheap products. So now let's move on and let me show you how to create this look. I started by prepping my skin with the MAC strobe cream, and this just adds a nice glow to the face. I used this all over under my foundation. For foundation, I used my favorite party foundation, and that is the Estee Lauder Double Wear. It gives you really good coverage and photographs very well. I then moved on to the eyes. I used the Smashbox Blaze palette and I used one of the shades to fill in my brows, and then this rusty brown color all over the lid. I am just so impressed by the eyeshadow quality from Smashbox. The shadows are so pigmented, they blend really easily and they're super long lasting. If you've never tried them, do give these a try. And then I'm going to finish the eyes with mascara, and I'm using one of my favorites, which is They're Real by Benefit. I've used 2 coats on the bottom as well as the top lashes. Now for the face, I'm going to add some warmth with the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess, and I love how buildable this bronzer is. I'm then using the Hyper Real Glow palette by MAC, which has some of the most beautiful highlighters I've ever used and just so perfect for a party. And then I'm going to do my lips. I've chosen the Bobbi Brown Luxe lipstick in the shade Red Berry, which is one of my all-time favorites, and I think it's a nice departure from the usual holiday red. And then to finish off the look, I'm using a little bit of MAC Fleur Power, which is one of my favorite pink blushes. And to give it all a nice, settled, radiant look, I'm just using a little bit of the MAC Fix Plus spray. And that is the final finished look. Do visit Phoenix Market City, Chennai for some amazing party season offers. Thanks for watching. Bye.